Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern brand poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document of these dimensions. First, go to the Layer panel and create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Then go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select the image, and click on Place. Right-click on its layer, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Press Ctrl+J for layer via copy of it. Go to the Select menu, and Subject. Add a layer mask to it. Select the mask. Go to the Brush tool, foreground color should be black, and use these settings. And apply. Now select the image, go to the Rectangle Marquee tool. Make a selection. Press Ctrl+J. And drag it down. And change its blend mode to hard light. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then add a black and white adjustment layer on top of it. Click on the Clipping Mask button. And follow my settings. Add a layer mask to this image. Use the Brush tool, and apply. Now select the circle layer, press Ctrl+J. Select the original and drag it up to the second layer. Set the fill to 0%. Right-click on it, and open the blending options. Apply the inner shadow to it. Follow my settings. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow my text settings. Draw a line here, using the line tool. Then I have these icons. Drag them into the design, rotate and place them here. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.